Why do you think two siblings, they turn out so different? If parenting had such an amazing role, they must turn out to be almost identical, right? Because the same parents. Hi.
शुरू में बताया कि जब अगर हम 1000 बच्चों को फॉरेस्ट में छोड़ देते हैं तो उसके लिए आपने आंसर मांगा कि सब लोग क्या सोचते हैं। कुछ ने कहा सिमिलर और कुछ ने कहा डिफरेंट। मेरा जवाब था सिमिलर। द रीजन बीइंग कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सोशल कंडीशनिंग हमारी ज्यादा हम लोगों को हायरार्की और डिफरेंट करना सिखाती है। आपका कहना ये है कि जो डिफरेंट होते हैं दोज आर क्लोजर टू the real answer or the reality. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो हमारा जीन्स है या जो हमारी inherent qualities हैं, those play more important role in this inequalities जो कि हमारी society में prevail करती हैं.
Oh yes, definitely. Like I said, the majority share, 50% at least that share. In fact, the study has been that in the long run, your personality and intellect, 50% has been determined mostly by your inherent personality and your capabilities that you were born with. And yes, the culture, peers, luck factors, random things, random events, they make up for the rest of the 50%. And parenting is also a very small percentage. Sometimes it's said that parenting is less than 10%. So people overestimate the power of culture. So it's not zero, but it's not everything.
So my next question was actually related to parenting only because जो और एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है उनका एक पैटर्न बिहेवियर का पैटर्न है या करियर का पैटर्न है या उनका जो भी लाइफ लीड करने का पैटर्न है तो वो फिर हमारे बच्चे क्या वो जीन्स में लेते हैं और उसी को फॉलो करेंगे चाहे हम उनके कितने भी डिफरेंट उनको डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट मिल जाए या उनको हम कितने भी सोशल कंडीशन करने की कोशिश करें।
नहीं, इसमें अगेन लाइक आई सेड कोई भी फैक्टर 0 नहीं है और कोई भी फैक्टर 100 नहीं है। लाइक देयर आर मल्टीपल फैक्टर्स और सबका रोल है। तो हमको अपने एफर्ट्स तो करने हैं एज पेरेंट्स बेस्ट, बट ये भी याद रखना है कि उन एफर्ट्स की एक लिमिटेशन है। तो आपको अपनी लिमिटेशन भी पता होनी चाहिए। तो आपका अगर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं तो आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है, बट अगर आप सोचो कि मैं खुद अकेले कर दूं, द सेम वे फॉर दिस फैक्टर, पेरेंटिंग का एक फैक्टर है उसमें, बट अगर पेरेंट्स सोचे कि बाकी चीजों से कोई मतलब नहीं है, मैं ही सब कुछ कर दूंगा, तो देन that would be just out of touch with reality. So do your best, but remember that you have to just be modest. Parents basically need to make peace with the fact that not much is in our control. Okay, a large part of it is just simply out of your control. Okay,
so for becoming a parent we should also realize that genes are going to play a very very important role.
Sorry, genes you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. Think about this. Why do you think two siblings, they turn out so different? If parenting had such an amazing role, they must turn out to be almost identical, right? Because the same parents. But there are some people say my two children are North Pole and South Pole. Why does that happen? Because they were born pretty different, right? And that's why even if you put them in the exact same environment, they will still be very, very different people. Okay? These videos can help you to some degree, but if your problems are really serious or painful, you should come for counseling. We now have a team of psychologists who can help you and your family live a much better life. Here are some feedbacks from our clients. If you wish to take counseling from us, go to our website page www.sridharlifeschool.com/counsel. Click on this link and fill this application form. We will get back to you soon. I would be doing these online meetings with you all regularly for some time. If you wish to attend these meetings live on Zoom, save the details. If you need reminders, we also send invitations to you personally on email and Telegram app. To get reminders, do the following.